Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style, and here click on Change Wallpaper. And now you can choose one from your own photos, something from on-device wallpapers or any other album located here. So let me choose, for example, Cityscapes, and then just mark the one that you wish to apply. As you can see, you've got plenty of options, so you will definitely find something suitable. Obviously, you get also different albums if you don't like those pictures. Actually, I would like to show you a bit more. So, for example, if you wish to apply textures, here you've got another album with all interesting textures. You can check it like this if you like the picture or not, and then you can go back on and switch another one. But I would like to pick this one. You can obviously personalize it however you wish. Tap on confirmation mark then, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. And that's it. As you can see, it has been set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.